Welcome to Buyer's Guide. The best TN2410 toner is probably one of the most reliable and cost-effective printing solutions for your brother printer. In this video, we're diving deep into the TN2410, exploring its performance, print quality, and overall value. We'll cover everything from its compatibility with various brother printer models to its yield and cost per page, helping you decide if this toner cartridge is the right fit for your printing needs. Get ready to discover why the TN2410 toner is a popular choice for both home and office use. Number 5. Timberland White Ledge Waterproof Hiking Boots. These Timberland boots are designed for any adventure. They are waterproof and durable, perfect for hiking and exploring the outdoors. The boots feature a waterproof design to keep your feet dry. No matter the weather, you can count on them to protect you. The mid-cut design provides excellent ankle support. This feature helps to stabilize your feet on uneven terrain. Made with high-quality materials, these boots are built to last. They can withstand the wear and tear of regular use. These boots are designed for comfort and reliability. You can wear them all day long without any issues. What we like. These boots are designed to keep your feet dry and comfortable, no matter the weather. They are built to last, with high-quality materials that can withstand tough conditions. If you're an outdoor enthusiast who loves hiking or working in rugged environments, you should consider these. What people say. The toner cartridge is easy to install. The print quality is excellent. It is a reliable product. Number 4. Brother TN730 Black Toner Cartridge. This is a Brother genuine cartridge, designed to produce high-quality mono laser prints. It ensures crisp, sharp prints that last, providing you with reliable results every time. This standard yield black toner cartridge can print approximately 1,200 pages. It's designed to work seamlessly with your brother printer, ensuring optimal performance and longevity. The cartridge creates rich blacks and is engineered to work perfectly with your brother laser printer. This ensures consistent, professional quality prints for all your needs. With Amazon Dash replenishment, this cartridge can be automatically ordered through Amazon and delivered to your door. It's a convenient way to ensure you always have the toner you need. This toner cartridge is compatible with a range of Brother laser printers and all-in-one devices. Brother also offers an environmentally responsible way to dispose of genuine cartridges. What we like. This is a genuine Brother toner cartridge, ensuring the best possible print quality and compatibility with your printer. It delivers crisp, sharp prints that will last. If you value consistent, professional-looking documents and the convenience of automatic reordering, then it's a great choice. What people say. The toner cartridge was easy to install. The print quality is excellent. The cartridge is working perfectly. Number 3. INK eSale TN660 TN630 Toner Cartridge Replacement. Are you looking for a cost-effective printing solution? This is a compatible toner cartridge replacement for your brother printer. It offers great value and performance. This cartridge is designed to work seamlessly with various brother printer models. It ensures compatibility and reliable printing results. You can easily install it. Each TN660 toner cartridge can print up to 2,600 pages at 5% coverage. It allows you to print more without frequently replacing the cartridge. This is a great choice for both home and office use. The package includes 2 black TN660 TN630 toner cartridges and a user guide. It provides everything you need to get started. You will get a great printing experience. We care about your needs and strive to provide cost-effective products. This compatible toner cartridge is a smart choice. It helps you save money without compromising quality. What we like. This compatible toner cartridge offers a high page yield, meaning you get more prints for your money. It's designed to work with a range of brother printer models. If you're looking to save on printing costs without sacrificing quality, this is a great option. What people say. The Brother TN2410 toner cartridge is easy to install. The print quality is excellent. The toner lasts a long time. Number 2. INK eSale TN210 BK Toner Cartridge for Brother. This is a compatible toner cartridge replacement from INK sale. It's designed to work with Brother TN210 series printers. This cartridge offers a reliable and cost-effective printing solution. This cartridge is compatible with Brother HL3040CN, HL3045CN, HL3070CW, HL3075CW, MFC9010CN, MFC9120CN, MFC9125CN, MFC9320CW, and MFC9325CW printers. It's a perfect fit for your printing needs. Get up to 2,200 pages per black cartridge at 5% coverage. It ensures you can print more without frequent replacements. This high yield helps you save money. The package includes one black TN210 toner cartridge and a user guide. Remember, it needs to be used with a drum unit. The package provides everything you need to get started. INK eSale cares about your needs and provides cost-effective products. This cartridge offers a great balance of quality and value. It's a smart choice for your printing needs. What we like. This compatible toner cartridge offers a high page yield, meaning you get more prints for your money. It's designed to work with a range of Brother printer models. If you're looking to save on printing costs without sacrificing quality, this is a great option. What people say. The toner cartridge was easy to install. The print quality is excellent. It works perfectly with my Brother printer. Number 1. Brother TN2410 Black Toner Cartridge. This is the Brother TN2410 Black Toner Cartridge. It's a single pack, standard yield cartridge. It is a genuine Brother supply. This cartridge can print up to 1,200 pages. The printing capacity is in accordance with ISO IEC 19752 standards. This is a high-quality, genuine Brother Black Toner cartridge. It ensures perfect prints every time. Genuine Brother toner cartridges are rigorously tested. Using this cartridge saves you both time and money. Using the TN2410 original laser toner cartridge protects your printer warranty. It's designed for optimal performance. The TN2410 Black Toner cartridge is also available as a more economical high-yield toner, the TN2420. Consider this option for more prints. What we like. This is a genuine Brother toner cartridge, ensuring the best possible print quality and compatibility with your printer. It delivers crisp, sharp prints that will last. If you value consistent, professional-looking documents, then it's a great choice. What people say. The toner cartridge was easy to install. The print quality is excellent. The product is working as expected. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.